Hello students, in last video we discussed from page number 7 to 9. Today we will start from page number 10. Some big numbers. In class 4 Maths Magic, you heard of the number lakh which is used to 100,000. You had read that there are about 1 lakh brick kilns in our country where bricks are made. So according to this, the first question is, what other things have you heard of in lakh? So yes, the answer is that means the population of towns in lakh, number of employed lakhs, number of products lakhs, number of vehicles, that means lakhs of vehicles are moving on the road, such type of. Now what? Write the number 1000. Here the number name is given and we have to write in number. So 1000 is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now the second question. Now write 100,000. So how many zeros are there in number 1 lakh? Here already we discussed 1 lakh is equal to, so 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So 100 is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. 100,000 is equal to lakh, 1 lakh. So the zeros are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 zeros. So there are 5 zeros on lakh. So next question is, there are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Half of them are without a motor. What is the number of boats with motor? Write it. Now there are about 2 lakh boats in our country. So half of them without motor. So total number of boats are 2 lakh. Half of them are without motor and half of with motor. So what is the number of boats with motor? तो obviously ये तो oral ही आंसर हो गया. So number of boat which have motor is half हो गया. So 2 lakh का half कितना हो जाएगा? 1 lakh. Now the fourth question is, about 1/4 of boat with motor are big machine boat. So how many thousand machine boats are there? So come on, try to do without writing down. But we will solve over here. We know the machine boats, motor boats are 1 lakh. That means 2 lakh total number of boats. Half of without motor and half are with motor. अब with motor में भी बड़े बड़े जो machine boat होते हैं, that we have to find out. And machine boats are given 1/4 of motor. That means motor boats are 1 lakh and machine boat are 1/4 of motor boat. So 1/4 of motor boat, that means 1/4 multiplied by 1 lakh. So if we divide 1 lakh divided by 4, 4 2s are 8. That means 10 minus 8 is 2. This brings 0. 4 5s are 20. And these last 3 zeros are put over here. So machine boats are 25,000. So the next topic is fish market. Have you been to a fish market? If you have, then you might know why a very noisy place is sometimes called a fish market. This fish market is busy today. Many boats have bought a good catch. The fisherwomen are shouting out their prices to the buyers. Now there are some characters. That means Minnie, Gracie, Floramma, Karuthamma and Fazila. There are five characters, catches, fish, and their cost is also given. And with this conversion, we will solve these three. We will solve the practice time. Let us solve. Let us see the answers. So, what is the first question? The first question is, at what price per kg did Fazila sell the kingfish? Here is the Fazila and she sell kingfish. The fish, this fish weight is 8 kg and the cost of 8 kg is given and we have to find out 1. So here, cost of 8 kg fish is given, that is 1200. So we have to find out cost of 1 kg. If many is given and we have to find out 1, at that time we will divide. If we divide here, that means 1200 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Bring this 0. 8 5s are 40 and 8 0 0. So the answer is rupees 150. So cost of 1 kg fish is rupees 150. Now the second question is, Floramma has sold 10 kg prawns today. How much money did she get for that? Now where is the Floramma's conversation? So Floramma is here. She sells prawns for 150 per kg. That means cost of 1 kg of prawns are given. So here, cost of 1 kg prawns are known, that is 150. If 1 is known and we have to find out many, at that time we will multiply here. So 10 multiply 150 is rupees 1500. Now third question. Now Gracie sold 6 kg swordfish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kg of sardine did Minnie sell? Now first we understand the question. The question is, Gracie sold 6 kg swordfish. Gracie ने 6 kg swordfish बेचकर जितना अमाउंट अर्न किया है उतना ही अमाउंट मिनी ने भी अर्न किया है. तो मिनी ने कितने केजी सार्डिन बेचे होंगे? सो लेट अस सी. Now, Gracie sold a swordfish, that is 1 kg of swordfish is given, that is rupees 60. So cost of 6 kg is, again 1 is known and we have to multiply many. If 1 is known and we have to find out many, at that time we will multiply. So 6 multiply 60 is rupees 360. That means according to question, Minnie earn same money as Gracie. So money earned by Minnie is again rupees 360. So amount of sardines sold by Minnie. So we see here is the Minnie and here is the sardine. So rupees 40 per kg, that means cost of 1 kg sardine is rupees 40. So at 360 rupees, how many kgs of sardine she sell? So she sell, if she divide here and 360 divided by 40 is 9 kg. So 9 kg of sardine sold by Minnie. Now the next question is, Basir has rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of money on squid and the other 3/4 on prawns. So question number A. That means, how much kilogram of squid did he buy? So let us see the answer. See. Bashir has 100 rupees. 1/4 of 100 he spends on squid. So 1/4 is written as 1/4. Of का मतलब है multiply and 100. So 100 divided by 4. If we divide it by 100, that means 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring this 0. 4 5s are 20. So 1/4 of 100 is rupees 25. That means he spent rupees 25 on squid. But we have to find out at rupees 25 how much kg he bought. So cost of 1 kg of squid is already given, that is rupees 50 rupees. So 50 का half कितना होगा? 25. So half kg, that means in 25 rupees half kg of squid he buy. Now amount with Bashir has 100 rupees. 100 rupees and he spends 25 rupees on squid. So how much amount is left with him? That is 75. Now this one is the 3/4. Now so cost of 1 kg prawns is rupees 150, and so at rupees 75 he buys how much kg of prawns? So 75 divided by 150, that means here is given that, here we already given that 75 1s are 75, 2s are 150 and 3s are 225. If we divide here 150 divided by 75, that means 75 2s are 150, that means 2. That means 75 1s are 75 and 75 2s are 150. So the answer is half kg prawns he bought.